Oh! Yo boys, what is up? We are back with another video, another banger. So we just left, shout out to J-Tune Performance in Newark, Delaware. We just got our anti-lag, our rolling anti-lag enabled. And I gotta go home right now. So obviously we just left, but I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. We also got, I forgot I had launch control, but yeah, this is like my video after, you know, after the tune. It's pretty dope. Chill. I don't know why it doesn't work sometimes. I think I have to get it to like 4K. Or I don't know, I think my buttons are a little weird. I'm gonna have to get new buttons. But I need gas. Yo, not gonna cap though. Not going cap though, that was like my first time using the anti-theft mode because I was scared they was trying to trick me to go inside so they could steal my shit, but it's whatever. A good deed for the day. That John ran me 40 bucks, but we cool. Now I gotta change the mode. Let me show you guys, because since we are going over the maps, look, so all you gotta do is go through the maps, boom, off, and we back on, boys. My car has a weird ass glitch, but here we go. We should be backing up. Yeah, there we go. Let's put my thing back in, but let's get back on the road, boys. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here, boys. I know you guys want the poppy pops, huh? Might as well show you. Sorry for my grainy shifts. I'll show you guys how I can shift. Damn, shell gas is amazing. Do I dare? Damn. I knew you guys hear those pops. Woo! Oh shit! What is going on? I think there's an accident, boys. Oh no! Here, I'll be right back. I'm gonna wait till I get some open space so I can do the anti-lag. Peace out. So you hold it. As you guys can see, that's how you kind of activate it. It's pretty cool. I mean, it just sounds cool, you know? Let me go into slower speeds real quick. Let me go to my actual power band in 4th gear. Yo, anybody can tell me why this is shaking? I think it might be my diff bushing. I don't know though. So let me know, please. But yeah, let's get home. Let's get some more pops in when we get in the actual neighborhood, because you know, F all the Karens. But yeah, I'll see you guys when we get there.
Like an 808, yeah. What the fuck I'm supposed to say?
Exit right to exit 9, stay for 3, Broomall.
Yo boys, we back. We getting 31 miles per gallon on the highway on cruise control, as you can see. Pretty dope. About to get like oh shiz. We're about to get like some crazy gas mileage, but not anymore. I just had to do I had to just you know, I just see see, look at that. I can't even speak today. 31.9 miles per gallon. That's pretty dope. No kizzy. But now it is time to have some fun. Now that we're not on the highway, we can do snap, crackle, pop. I don't know if I can finish that. Is that copyright? I don't know. Y'all ready for the pop pop? Y'all ready for the pop pop? Now, it is my mom's birthday today. Damn. Damn. I really want to do anti-lag in 2nd gear. I know I don't have boost, but like it is definitely gonna sound like the coolest. My man over there, mad as Let's see how many Karens we can piss off today. Going into the good old Acme. That'd be funny. Come on, give me some space. I'm giving you guys some pulls. Let's piss her off. How did I miss? I missed the gear. Yo, I'm super ass. Y'all did not see anything, bro. Yo boys, all right, so we got some flowers for my mom right here. It's pretty cool. I'm at like 13% on this GoPro, but let's get the most of it. Let's go into pop mode. Let's Now let's do it with the window up. I may have to turn it off though, because there's always cops up here. The car popped like crazy. And it's winter, bro. It's like 32 degrees right now. Damn, I wasted a quarter tank already. Oh, that was a cop. Oh, that was a cop. That was a cop. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh shit.